Hello my niggas, this video now for all of una wey dey come my DM come dey ask me say Victor give me FMT wey I go use work. Victor give me FMT wey I go use work. I don carry am come where be say you go get all the FMT wey you need. You go get all the FMT wey you need. Wetin you go do na to go your Chrome, and for people wey dey use Chrome, you go your Chrome. You fit use another browser, you fit use any browser wey you want. If you use any browser wey you want, whether na Safari, Firefox, just open your Chrome, search script D. No say I no tell you, script D, e dey free. E dey free for there. Search script D. I no get data like this. Okay, my network don disconnect. Just hold on, make I connect to my network. Okay, sorry guys, sorry for the delay. We are back. Just refresh am. Script D, you see the logo, click am. Once you enter their website, you go see everything dey there. Everything. You see all the formats wey you want dey there, whether truck driving format o, dating format o, pastor format o, any format. You see this two now, I just search am so that I go use am. I use am confirm am so that I go show you una wey dey ask me for my DM. You see this one, you dey see all the formats wey you want. Whether you want three formats wey be say you go use the follow up, billing format, everything, all of them dey here for free. Anyone wey you want, just click am, e go open. You dey see am, billing format for pastor work, full civil engineering form, all those things, all of them full here. No come tell me say, no come my DM come dey beg me for format again. I don show you for free now. I don show you where you go dey get am free. You fit still share this video, share am so that your friends wey dey your contact go see am. All your friends wey dey your contact go see am. You understand? Your contact wey dey your Facebook or your TikTok go see this video. They go share and go another their own profile. You understand? So that they no go dey buy format again. Follow for more updates.